Good evening, good morning. Once again, I welcome you all to the channel of Be Your Own, also as a part of the Pink Circle Foundation. So, this particular session is being conducted for the benefit of the children. एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज क्या बच्चों के बारे में क्या बात करिए। पिछले सीरीज में अमिता बात कर रही थी डॉक्टर के साथ में, इस सीरीज में कौन आए, राइट। सरप्राइज को दूर करते हुए मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ आपको हमारे ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से एक बहुत ही सोशल डिग्निफाइड और बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली लेडी हैं, मैडम रजनी कुमार, मिसेस रजनी कुमार। और ये बाय प्रोफेशन एक टीचर हैं। इन्होंने जो टीचर का जॉब शुरू किया था, जॉब हम सब कहते हैं ना जॉब, तो इन्होंने जो टीचर का जॉब शुरू किया था वो इनके लिए कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी, मजबूरी नहीं थी, बस एक शौकिया शुरू किया था। लेकिन अब वो इनका पैशन बन चुका है। इस हद तक पैशन है कि अब ये कहीं पर भी किसी के साथ भी जब कनेक्टेड होती हैं तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे उनको कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के ही जाएंगी। तो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस, वेरी नेक्स्ट टू मी इज़ मिसेस रजनी. Welcome Rajni to the show that is on behalf of the Pink Circle Foundation and from Be Your Own.
Thank you so much, Amita.
Welcome
It's nice
Rajni.
to be with somebody, who is just always eager to know something and just spread it.
Yes. दिस इज एसोसिएशन लाइक दैट। हम ऐसे ही मिलते गए, ऐसे ही जुड़ते चले गए। तो अगर आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे, मिलना चाहेंगे, तो इस वीडियो के नीचे आप कमेंट करिएगा एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली टेक यू पार्ट इनटू आवर टीम. बी एक्साइटेड टू नो मोर अबाउट रजनी। एक्साइटेड हैं? मैं इंतज़ार करूंगी मैसेजेस का, जहां आप बोलोगे कि हाँ मैम एक्साइटेड हैं। तो मैं अमिता हूँ, वंस अगेन आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग, दिस इज फ्रॉम अमिता, द लाइफ कोच एंड द बिजनेस कोच फ्रॉम बी योर ओन, एंड मिसेस रजनी, वेल क्वालिफाइड टीचर फॉर स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन एंड स्पेशली फॉर ऑल द चिल्ड्रन. सो रजनी, मेरे पास में कुछ सवाल है आपके लिए. पैंडेमिक की वजह से बहुत से चेंजेस आए लाइफ में. एक टीचर के प्रोफेशन में भी बहुत चेंजेस आए. जो टीचर्स बच्चों को बोलते थे फ़ोन से दूर रहो, फ़ोन के आसपास भी नहीं जाना है, पेरेंट्स को स्पेशल इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलता था कि आप अपने बच्चों के हाथ में फ़ोन मत दीजिएगा. अब वही टीचर कहते हैं प्लीज़ गिव देम अ गैजेट. तो यहाँ से शुरुआत होती है एक पैंडेमिक की जर्नी की फॉर द टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट्स. और वो कहाँ तक जाती है, आपसे मैं हर एक सवाल करूँगी. प्लीज़ आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर करिए.
I know अभी गैजेट ही स्कूल बन गया है, right? Everything. The gadget is the blackboard, the gadget is the chalk, the gadget is your lab and everything.
Right. सो रजनी, एक्सप्लेन ना, आपने कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं ये इस चेंजेस के बाद में, जो गैजेट ने सारी चीज़ों को रिप्लेस कर दिया बट लकीली टीचर को रिप्लेस नहीं कर पाया, राइट? तो आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
As you said, the first thing is I definitely say that no gadget can replace teacher, right?
Yes.
And school jo hai, it provides you a lot of learning experiences. It's not just, school is not a place where you take the textbook and whatever is there in the textbook is just passed on to a child. That's not what is education. What is now happening through a gadget is exactly this. What is in the book is being taught, right? But we are looking for our children a holistic development. When you say holistic, it means everything, right? How you take in your challenges, how to take it in a positive way, how you can take the failures also, plus how to socialize, everything, your social development, your mental development, your cognitive development, which cannot take place through a gadget. So I feel that children are more frustrated, parents are frustrated, the alarming buttons are already, pressed.
Yeah.
Yes, everywhere. Now parents are looking for psychologists, parents are looking for other ways of counseling their children. That's what is today's situation.
So
exams are not happening. The amount of academic progress that you should see at the end of your year is, just half a sad graph has been shown.
correct.
So things are not good.
Actually, the progress, expected progress is not happening, but some projected progress is what is being shown. If I'm not wrong, right? Right. So, are we happy parents with such progress which is being shown, or do we really want to see something? कि we really want to see something, and this time we cannot say कि भाई teachers आप हमारे बच्चों को सिखा दो. अभी responsibilities are coming more to the parents on this side, because children are spending more time with the parents rather than the teachers. So
That's
my
where the frustration triggers. You know, when I feel, Amita, पहले कैसा था, 8 बजे बच्चे पहुंच जाते थे स्कूल, उससे पहले बच्चे उठ जाते थे, चाहे ना चाहे, is it?
yeah,
And we mothers also used to be on time. We used to see that children are going to school in the proper uniform, in a proper discipline.
right,
All that is disturbed from
correct,
past 2020 March or April, whenever the lockdown period has started. The amount of time that parents and children are spending at home is more. Now, the question is whether it is qualitatively or not.
correct,
So, the problem that we see in today's houses is that children don't get up early in the morning. You know, laptop ही school है, तो laptop बाजू में रहता है. सुबह just jump off your bed, switch on करो, school ready,
correct,
right?
right,
उसके बाद mama is always at home available, so you put on your demands, which your mother, maybe non-working mothers are able to cater to those demands, but working mothers, they are in front of their computer or their laptop for their online working. So we see only parents telling children, don't do this, don't do that, I don't like this, don't disturb me. So you find all negative phrases.
सब ना से शुरू होता है, हाँ से कुछ नहीं होता, सब
क्योंकि
ना
हम
से.
लोग पहले क्या सोचते थे, मेरा बच्चा बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड है. अभी तुम्हारा बच्चा कैसा है, तुम अपने आंखों के सामने पिछले 2 साल से देख रही हो. ठीक है, तो we are always seeing the negative part of your child very clearly at home now. So that's where I think parents are also frustrated, and we can't blame anybody else because our children are with us. Now
we are
can't blame
responsible.
it is because of the influence of the school, or it is because of the influence of somebody else. So that's where I feel that that's the frustration we see in most of the houses. मेरा बच्चा कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकता, especially who are in flats. They don't find their children any space outside because of COVID or Corona, whatever it is. They don't find place outside to, you know, spend time, play, physical activities not happening. The only best friend now, if you ask any child, is their favorite game on their laptop or their whatever is there. I don't know what are the games. There are so many things, and everything is again, you know, shooting, or it's something hitting a car.
And that is making kids maybe more aggressive, because they have to be really active on it. And
because our personality, you know, develops on what we see, what we hear, right? इसलिए बोलते हैं कोरोना के बारे में ज्यादा मत सोचो. क्यों? क्योंकि जो ज्यादा सोचते हैं, it gets manifested. So similarly, these things also you are seeing more on your beat film also. You see only violence.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, bad things are picked up fast.
Yeah. They don't need push. They just
you don't need any practice, or you don't need any rehearsal. You just need to see, understand, and you get it. But at the same time, if you want to teach children good things, it takes a lot of time.